Hey, what's up guys, it's Katie Cloudy and this is a quick update video just to tell you it's been a while. No, but seriously, the last time I made an update video, it was exactly about 2 years ago when I was done with my 10th grade exams. And now I'm finally done with my 12th grade board exams. Well, technically I still have one more exam left, which is in April, and it's computer. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm done. So obviously, in case you didn't notice, I haven't been able to upload a lot of videos in the past year simply because it was hard to manage school and YouTube. Not that I scored the best grades, but so yeah, I'll make sure to leave a link to my Twitter thread which explains my inactivity and what I've been doing in the past year or so, if you're into that. But yeah, if you're still watching this, if you're still subscribed, if you're still around, I really appreciate that. I am really grateful for you to stick around. You guys make me want to keep going forward and make more videos. But yeah, I'll be uploading more videos, better videos, and videos which are more of in the information and tech trivia type of stuff, tech thesis, video essays. There's going to be more of that, and also a couple of videos here and there which are like reviews and product videos, and also a couple of vlogs maybe, I don't know. And yeah, to prepare for my comeback, I ordered 24,852 rupees worth of new video gear, lenses, lights, all that stuff. So expect not only more videos but better looking videos. So if things gonna look a lot better with the lights and stuff. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this update video. I don't know how many people will watch this. This is going to have like 70 views in like a day or so. But yeah, that's basically it. That's all I have to say, and I'll catch you. Just follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I really need some follows right now. I'm just kidding. Yeah, talk to you guys in the next one. Cheers.